Hey ladies! So I'm back. So what's been going on is that we had COVID for the last 2 years, right? And it's done some weird stuff to our bodies. So my hair has been weird. And you've probably heard of the COVID hair. Well, people losing their hair, falling out and all of that. I truly believe that it is COVID, hair loss, wearing my hair up and having that tension from a top knot, and aging and the thyroid and all the good stuff that comes with the rest of us. But as you can see, I've got all of this. Can you see that? I'm trying to turn. Look at all of that on the side of my hair. It's all like growing back in, but it's short. It's sad. It's very sad. Like I feel like I'm bald from wearing my hair up. I have all of this happening under here. And it's super, super dry as well. As you can see, I hope you can see that. It's dry and breaking off, and it's just, my hair is really sad, but it's better than it was a year ago. I have been using Revitalash Shampoo and Conditioner and the Revitalash Foam. Yes, this is the makers of Revitalash that you use on your lashes to grow very long, luxurious lashes. You can also use the Revitabrow. That'll help grow your brows back for those of you who've overplucked. And you can also use the shampoo and the conditioner and the foam to help regrow hair, just like you do for your eyelashes and brows. So I'm gonna show you what I've been doing to kind of help prevent this breakage, to promote hair growth, and to kind of bring my hair back to life like it was when I was younger. Okay, out of the shower, you see this frizzy mess, towel dry. So the first thing I've been doing is putting on my Revitalash Enhancing Foam, okay? So a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to go crazy, but put it where, like, I feel like I'm losing my hair right here, like in this receding hairline area. So I'm gonna put a little pump right there, and you just rub it in on your scalp. And I rub it in where I want it, and then I kind of just go all over my scalp with it. So then if you want to put it on the sides of your scalp, you can. I've been kind of emulsifying it in my hands and going underneath here where that really wants to be dry and break off. So this really helps get your scalp. The shampoo and conditioner actually help get your scalp in optimal condition, really cleansing, promoting hair growth, keeping that follicle healthy, stimulating the blood supply to that hair follicle. And then the enhancing foam is what makes your hair grow. So you need all three of those. I've been putting on the Hair Alchemy by Oribe. So what I've been doing with this is I put in a little bit, not much, probably maybe a dime size amount, okay? I've been emulsifying that, and then I am flipping over and putting it kind of where my top knot would be and rubbing that through to strengthen all of that underneath hair and the hair that's like where the top knot would be, and that's where it's breaking. I've been putting the Hair Alchemy Serum there. That stuff helps with breakage, strengthening the hair, making it resilient again. Now, I use the Invisible Defense to kind of spray through. What I love about this, it's gonna help against UVA, UV rays, any kind of pollutants in the air. Also has a heat protectant in it. Everyone needs a heat protectant. I've said it a million times. And spray it throughout my hair. I'm going to brush out my tangles, okay? I've got my Keune wet brush. We also have these at Fresh Hair Salon. Start at the bottom, work your way up. Be very gentle, hold the hair. Don't go and rake it out and get all the tangles. You wanna start at the bottom and work your way up and kind of blend all that through. All right, now I'm gonna blow dry. Okay, seriously hate blow drying my hair. I sweat, I feel like I need another shower. You can kind of see, I'm gonna get where the little baby hair's all growing back in, but it feels like my hair again. I feel like I'm not losing it, it's not breaking off, it's growing back in, it feels healthy, it's thickening up, it looks healthy. If you guys are interested in this product or have any questions, just place them in the comments below. We do carry these products at both locations at Fresh Hair Salon in Fayetteville and in Rogers. Please be sure to support local. Be vocal, support your local salon, your stylist. They know your hair better than anyone. So if you're gonna go buy products, buy them from your stylist, buy them from your salon, buy them from the people who know your hair, who can prescribe what is best for you. You'll actually end up saving money that way, getting the results you want and being happy with your hair instead of purchasing at these big box stores, not knowing what you're buying, not liking the product, and wasting product or damaging your hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks, bye.